I know a lot of contemporary composers who just did not think about rhythm and continue in a jazzy feel or apply film music style, daiko and percussive 16th lines to their compositions. This may be fine, but it is not really modern composition, and such pieces are not being taken seriously by the community. You might think, what the heck, why should I care? This is my sound. Why should anyone approve at all? You're right, definitely. But maybe you want to learn a special style, and when I want to go Latin jazz, for example, as a piano player, I would find it helpful to learn a montuno and learn a freaking bossa nova groove. And if my band tells me then I interfere with the double bass or I just have a wrong feeling with the congas, then I go home and refine. You know what I mean. We want to learn styles and tradition, and in modern composition this is just the same.